In today's video, I'll show you on how you can add a heart rate on Strava. First things first, you want to go ahead and turn on your heart rate monitor. Now you could use something like an Apple Watch or Garmin. Just make sure to connect it to your device right here. Open up Bluetooth and then you want to pair both of your phone right here and your heart rate monitor sensor. Now to connect it or to add heart rate to Strava, just click on the record option, and basically inside this page, you can simply add the heart rate monitor by swiping up on your screen. We then have additional options like the add a sensor option, and then it will ask us to enable some few permissions. You just want to click on the allow option. In here, you then have to select the heart rate sensor. It's going to be under the available sensors. Click on it and you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow guides or everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.